How did these black men know about trigonometry or the Pythagorean theory if school is where you become intelligent? I remember black men from back in the 60s when I was a little girl. I went from age 3 to 13 in the 60s. That means some of the black men back then were anywhere from their 20s to their 80s. Some of the black men could build anything and everything. They could walk into an area and walk out without measuring any tools, and they'd tell you how much material you would need right down to the nail. Once you purchased the material, there'd be no need to go back for anything. After the black men finished the structure, there wouldn't be anything left over. By the same token, they never had to go back for any more material, just like there was no material left over. These black men never went to school for any of this, but they knew Pythagorean theorem. They knew about the 3, 4, 5 triangle. These black men never went to school for it, but they knew that the squared value of the hypotenuse of the right triangle is equal to the sum of the squared value of the other two sides. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. These black men didn't go to school for this. These black men, many of whom never set foot in a school. Many went to school, but never went past elementary school, yet they knew trigonometry. How did these black men know about trigonometry or the Pythagorean theory if school is where you become intelligent? These black men weren't fluent in reading. Some of these black men couldn't read at all. But these black men knew the information. These black men may not have known what the words mean, but these black men knew the action of the word. If these black men had been given a written test on this information, they wouldn't have passed it. But did that mean they didn't know the information? There's a 99 and 44th 100% chance that the person who put the test together or the person administering the test can't even put a nail through a board without bending it. And they couldn't get an accurate measurement even with a measuring device.